Hi, my name is Ashwin. I'm from International School, which is a 6th through 12th grade school. For my project, I chose the chess clock, and I chose it because I needed a new chess clock. I lost my previous one. Anyways, here it is. So how it works is that you turn this rotary encoder clockwise and it'll increment the time by increments of 30 seconds. Turn it counterclockwise and it decrements by 30 seconds. When you have a time you want to set, you push down the rotary encoder once, which will lock the time. And from there, you have these two buttons on the board. If you press one of them, one player's time will start decrementing down by 1 second. If you press the other, it'll freeze this player's time and it'll start decrementing this time. Now how it works is that you have these two 7-segment displays, each which could show a time, which are both connected to the Arduino. You also have this rotary encoder also connected to the Arduino. Same thing with these buttons. And one thing which I'll not be able to show you, which is this buzzer, which will buzz when one of the player's times reaches 0. They're all interconnected together and programmed in C code. Some challenges I faced while making this was my coding didn't typically work. I had quite a lot of trouble getting it to work until I learned that I could start working small because I tried to make it all at once and realized that it didn't really work out. So I started just using small sample code, and eventually I got to here just by training to get a bunch of sample code. So I learned something from that. As for what's next, well, I hope to make something in CAD for my chess clock to give it a housing. As you can see right now, it is not very organized, just a bunch of wires. I also plan to add more clicky buttons because these buttons are not very clicky and do not seem very optimal for playing with.